Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox a Dragon Ball Z statue made by Original Intention Studio. If you guys follow my channel, you guys probably noticed that I did unbox a statue from this company before. I think several statues. One is Gogeta, Kid BUU, and something else. But today is also another BUU, but it's not Kid BUU. It's actually a different version of him. It's Super BUU. One of my favorite form of Majin Buu. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the box so you guys can see it. It's kind of similar to the Kid BUU version of it, but check out how cool and awesome this box is. You know, pink all around with Super BUU in the middle. You know, posing. This is actually the same pose of the statue. So yeah, you guys can see how evil he is. You know, yelling. And on the side, it's like I say, a different version of BUU. So far they did Super BUU, which I'm about to unbox, and they did Kid BUU already. So I cannot wait until they made Fat BUU and BUU Tanks, if there's Buhan also. But yeah, a very colorful box with the Majin logo up top. I've been having this statue for a long time already, but now I finally have time, you know, to unbox it for you guys. So now I'm gonna get to it right away, and I'll see you guys afterwards so I can talk more about this statue. Peace out, everyone. Guys, I'm back. So this is an unboxing of Super BUU made by Original Intention from Dragon Ball Z, and as you guys can see, he is huge. When I first opened the box, I was amazed by the size because I didn't think he was going to be this big. All the other Super BUU statues that I have currently is smaller than this one, and this is supposed to be 1/6 scale, so he's huge. He looks like 1/4 scale small character. But anyways, the pose, I really like it because these smokes right here, you know, holding him up, it gives out this, him raging, floating up in the air, and these smokes right here down below is holding him with kind of like a circular motion. You know, like he's rising up. I'm going to give you guys some close-up look later, but for now, as you can see, he is awesome looking. His face is correct, just like in the anime when he rage, you know, open his mouth, yelling. And he comes with two set of hands. This one I prefer a bit more. I call this a sticky finger hand because, you know, he has his thumb and his index finger, and all the other fingers like stick together. Same with Fat BUU and Kid BUU. And the other hand is all these little fingers showing right here, but I much prefer this one because I think it looks better and it looks kind of funny, true to his character, Super BUU. So yeah, now I'm gonna give you guys some close-up look on how the engineering behind this statue, as well as some textures on his pants. Alright, here is the certificate of authenticity, original intention, it's a BUU and a picture of him. And here's the base, Dragon Ball Z. Really like how they add this, certificate right here, and then the logo. On a Dragon Ball Z statues, I always prefer this, logo right here rather than just a name of the character. Let's say Super BUU or something. I didn't like that. I just want a logo from Dragon Ball Z. It looks like clean, and you can tell it straight from the anime. So yeah, now up top is the rocky base with some grass and weathering on the rocks, and on the left is smoke. Here you guys can see this smoke is holding him up. It's like gives off this floating up in the air, rising up. And also on the right, this smoke right here is also holding him up like this. Let's see. There you go. And here is the pants. You can see some textures behind it. The pants, some shading. I really like how they did this pants right here. Some textures, and the shading looks perfect. All the folds are correct on how it should be, and the belt has the logo margin on it. And this is the sticky finger hand with some more smoke, floating around him. And then this face right here. Check out how mad this face is. Look just like in the anime when he rage, finding his opponent because nobody would want to fight him. Very good sculpt on the face alone. Teeth and the tongue. He has this kind of like green, bluish tongue. This is one of my most favorite version of BUU because he's kind of goofy and strong at the same time. So he's dumb looking, if I should say, but he's pretty funny. He's not smart, but he is powerful. And here is the back. You guys can see all those muscles and the holes around him. The air holes up top also. And some more smoke floating around. So yeah, here's the hand, the multiple fingers. I like this one better. So yeah, those are the close-up look on Super BUU. Alright, so here I brought out the little kid BUU so you guys can see the size comparison between them. Also made by the same company, Original Intention Studio. As you can see, this thing is bigger, way bigger than this kid BUU right here. I think the sizes on both of them are correct. Both are 1/6 and they look perfectly next to each other, and I cannot wait to get more BUUs from this studio alone, to display all different versions of BUU. I hope they make them all like Fat BUU, Buhan, BUU Tanks or whatever. So for now, these two goes very well with each other and they complement perfectly. So yeah, I'm happy to be able to add this Super BUU to my collection because this is my most favorite form out of all of them. I think he's goofy, like I say, and he's strong at the same time. I really like how the engineer behind this statue, all the smoke is covering his feet, rising him up in the air as he's raging. This smoke right here forming around him. You guys can see his mad face and angry and goofy at the same time. You guys can see how big he is, and these funny looking hands. This guy also has it. The colors and the pants, the textures are identical to each other. This little kid BUU right here also has some textures on the pants. The color is also the same thing. So yeah, really like how they did the space. I almost kind of like the same thing also, rocky base with moss and smoke all around. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching me unboxing this Super BUU made by Original Extension from Dragon Ball Z. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Really help me, pumping out more content for you guys. And subscribe for more unboxing and more review. Now I'm gonna give you guys some more close-up look, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out everybody. Goodbye.